Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Bharat Electronics Limited. So the Bharat Electronics Limited or BEL is a government organization. So we are going to see the recruitment news from BEL, and the recruitment is happening for mainly three categories. There is trainee engineer 1, then project engineer 1 and trainee officer 1. Okay, so we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. Now, talking about the location of job is Kodwara is a location of job. BEL Kodwara is recruiting for these categories. Okay. Kodwara is in Uttarakhand state. Okay. Now, let us see the post and the post-wise vacancies, the upper age limit and the experience. Okay. From 6-month experience onwards, they are calling for people. Okay. First category is trainee engineer 1. For electronics, there is 1 vacancy. Again, another department, electronics 3 vacancy, mechanical 2, computer science 1. 25 years is the maximum age limit. Here you require 6 months experience, and also for the other category electronics and mechanical they are asking 1 year of experience. Okay, next one, this is project engineer. Here project engineer, actually this computer science is for project engineer category. Project engineer, computer science 1 vacancy, again computer science 2 vacancy. This will be for 2 different departments. Okay, so that is for project engineer. Again electronics 3 vacancy, mechanical 2 vacancy. So these are the branches and branch wise vacancies for project engineer category recruitment. Maximum age limit is 28 years and here you require 2 years of experience. The place of posting also along with each post they have given. So you don't have to worry about the location of your job or the place of posting. Directly everything they have mentioned here. Next, trainee officer, it is for finance. So you should be having MBA finance. There is only 1 vacancy. Upper age limit is 25 years and you require 1 year of post qualification experience. Okay. So these are the branch details, branch wise vacancy details. Then the upper age limit and the experience details. Okay. Next, let us move on to the duration of this job. So this job is not for permanent or for long time. This will be for 3 to 4 years. Okay. So specifically talking, the project engineer is actually for 4 years, and in every year how much salary you are going to get also they have given. Okay. So the project engineer is for 4 years. And the trainee engineer and trainee officer, it is for 3 years. So even if it is for 4 years or 3 years, the organization is very good. This is a government organization. So you should definitely try for this. So first one, the project engineer, the first year you will be getting 35,000 per month salary. Second year you will be getting 40,000 per month salary. Third year you will be getting 45,000, and during the fourth year you will be getting 50,000 per month salary. Okay. So this is the per month salary for these 4 years. For the case of trainee officer and trainee engineer, during the first year, you will be getting 25,000 per month. Second year, it is 28,000. Third year, it is 31,000 per month. Okay. So that is the salary details and the duration of job. So I repeat, the project engineer job is for a period of 4 years, and the trainee engineer and trainee officer, it is for a period of 3 years. Okay. So that is the duration of the job. Qualification is BE, BTech or BSc in BSc engineering in the respective branches. Branches we have already seen. Also they have given here in which area you require the experience. So they have given all those details in the notification. You don't have to worry about the experience, in which area experience you require and all. Okay, everything they have given here. Next, let us move on to the selection process. So the selection process will be happening through video conferencing based interview only. There is no examination or any other selection process. Only there is a online interview. You can give this interview from your home itself. Video conferencing based interview. Nowadays, if you see, BEL is recruiting candidates only through this video conferencing based interviews or online interviews. That is the only selection process. Okay. Now the weightage is like this. For your BE, BTech and BSc, 75% weightage is given. And for your post qualification experience, 10% weightage. And the interview for which you are going to attend, 15% weightage is given. So this is the weightage division for the selection process. Okay, very simple thing this is. Now let us move on to the application process. Before seeing the application process, here you require to remit a fees of 200 rupees if you are interested in applying for trainee engineer and trainee officer post. For project engineer, if you are interested in applying, you need to pay 500 rupees fee. Okay, so this is the fee detail. Now in order to apply, you have to apply online. I'll be posting the link of application in the description. Directly you can apply from there. And also you have to upload certain documents while applying online. Also the detail of the documents they have given here. First one is your 10th standard mark card, then BE BTech MBA certificate, final consolidated marks of all semesters. Then if you claim for any reservation, then you have to remit the that is you have to submit the certificate claiming for the same, your experience certificate. Then if you are working in some organizations, you have to give the no objection certificate. Okay, so these are the certificates you have to upload along with your online application form. Now talking about the last date for applying, it is 5th of May is the last date. You can apply from 21st of April, that is it has already started. You can apply till 5th of May. Okay, so 5th May is the last date for applying. So that's all about the recruitment news from BEL. The selection process is only happening through a video conferencing based interview or an online interview. So the selection process is quite simple. We have seen the post details, place of posting, selection process, application procedure, everything in this video. Also, we have seen the duration of your job and also the salary, per month salary that you are going to get. So this is all about BEL recruitment, BEL Kotwara recruitment. A lot of people is asking for government organization recruitment updates. So BEL, that is Bharat Electronics Limited, is a government organization. So if you are interested, please to apply for it. Last date they have given very clearly, it is 5th of May. Don't wait till that. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. So if you like the video, if you found the video useful, please still give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.